Hi, welcome to this week's 1 Minute Wednesday, and this week I just wanted to highlight some work we're doing with our friends over at FreeVA who support voluntary action across the Eastbourne, Wilden and Lewis districts. And we're delivering a cybersecurity workshop for them, and specifically for the voluntary sector, charity sector, and we're holding that on the 3rd of August at 10 AM. I'll post a link in the comments below for registration. But if you're a charity, it's quite often a misconception, certainly by the smaller charities, that you're not a target. And you don't need to be a target, but you can still fall victim. And we'll cover the many ways that there are to fall victim, and we'll cover the most common ones in depth in this training. So head on over to FreeVA's website, the link is below in the comments, and hopefully we'll see you on that training. 3rd of August, 10 AM. Speak to you next week on another 1 Minute Wednesday.